I'm not gonna lie, I just sat the camera down and ran back and forth, so, but it's good for the vlog. Hey, shut the f up! Jesus Christ. This video is probably gonna get copyrighted. Guys, it hasn't snowed here in like 500 years. But look what happened when I woke up this morning. Fucking open! Snow. Oh. I thought it was gonna be a little bit more than that. I thought it would be more snow than this. Oh, shit. Anyway. Guys, if you are not subscribed, then what the f is wrong with you? Just, what are you doing, bro? Hit the button, subscribe. Motherfuckers. There is shit in the floor. Look, shit. Was it you? Oh, no, you can't run away. Was it you? Or was it you? Was it you who shit in the floor? Oh, shit. The shit is everywhere. So much. It's so freaking dumb. I think I stepped in it. Blaze, bro. We gotta tell Gracie to stop shitting on the floor. You know what I'm saying? Alright, cool. Okay, here it is. It's currently 12:20 something right now. And I'm about to go eat with my mom. And hold up, guys, before we get this shit started, look at the fit though. We got the jeans, we got the boots, we got me. And we got the watch. Ooh. Anyway, guys, I'll see you at the restaurant. Woo! That food was amazing. Can you verify that that food was amazing?
It was really good.
It was verified. That's what Dad. Oh my god. There's nothing in the box.
It's right here.
Oh. There it is.
Oh, this is for people with glasses. That's so cool.
Can I get a girlfriend yet with these?
No.
Hey, put them down. Why don't you listen to me? Seriously.
Well, put it on, Dawson. Just please let me put it on.
This is one thing I will control.
Just please let me put it on.
Look at the controllers.
Fine.
Look at them.
I can hold the controller.
No. What?
What the fuck?
Hey.
Okay, guys. In order for me to touch the Oculus thing, I have to do Dawson's homework, and it's a deal we made. I have to do Dawson's homework in order for me to put on the Oculus.
Get up.
What is it like?
Dude, get everything off the ground.
What is it?
Are you good?
Yeah, but.
Are you good, bro?
Oh, okay. Oh, okay, so.
Oh my god. Are you videoing me?
Put it in your left hand if you want. They're gonna start shooting. You died.
How am I supposed to know which ones are shooting? They're all over the place. Oh, dude, I reflected it and it hit him. Oh, yeah. Oh, God. I did actually better that time than I.
Yep.
Holy crap, that's awesome, dude. Guys, this is insane. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas from the bottom of my heart. Jake, bro, you can't shake the tree. What's the move? What's the move? Larissa, Jake, what's the move?
Don't put it on me.
We're putting it on you. You want to be the cameraman.
Yeah.
How much do you want to get paid?
$475.
$475? Alright. Santa! Santa! Alright guys, that is it for the vlog. I hope you enjoyed. Make sure you like and subscribe. And make sure you get one of these things and awesome. I love you guys and I will see you next time.